Welcome Timpupo Festival 2025 here at Kidapawan City. One of the highlight of Timpupo Festival is the fruit eat all you can dito sa island ng Kidapawan. So ayan, an hour before ng 4 o'clock PM para sa allotted time for the eat all you can. Marami na po tayong mga bisita dyan na ready to eat na. Ayan. So different fruits was on display na nakatago pa muna kasi hindi pa po oras para kumain. And ayan, everyone is very excited. Kahit saang parte dito sa Mindanao ay pumunta talaga dito. And we have different fruits na nakikita po natin. Meron tayong saging, lansones, rambutan, durian, dragon fruit at marami pa pong first, di rin po tayo nagpahuli and this is my first time para ma-experience ang eat all you can or fruit all you can dito sa Kidapawan City. So everyone is excited and kanya-kanya na po talagang diskarte yan mamaya. And take note, this is eat all you can at hindi po pwede ang magdala. So eat lang po tayo dyan. Ayan, nag-start na po at tingnan nyo, kanya-kanyang kuha at ako hindi rin ako nagpahuli at kumuha din ako ng durian dyan. So ayan, sinicure ko talaga ang durian na isa na right in front of me at marayan mga bata nagsikuhaan ng kahit ano-ano. So ayan, enjoy lang po tayo dyan. You can take but of course you have to eat. Wala lang magdala para mas masaya. Banana. Oh, tara. Marang. Ayan guys, we are so pleased to experience this fruit eating festival dito po sa Kidapawan City. At ayan, tapos na po and thanks for watching!